This is my late birthday surprise. I bought this way back September. It's a good thing it's rebookable. They allowed us to rebook 2 times, I think, because of the first time I have a friend who's getting married and I have to help. And then the second thing is, I think because of the quarantine or lockdown, I forgot. Anyway, I rebooked it twice and they allowed it. It's rebookable for a year, I think. Look at there, it's so beautiful. Anyway, so this is a late birthday surprise for my mom.
Side? Yes. Everything sa side.
Tapos magre-register kami dito. O tapos na.
Ay, tapos ko na i-register. Taas daw yung available nilang room.
Yan.
Hindi tayo kasamahan.
Hindi na. Tayo lang daw guest nila ngayon eh. Tayo lang daw guest nila ngayon. Pero parang bukas daw meron. Ay, ang ganda naman. Wow!
Diyan ba tayo? Diyan ba tayo?
Wow, it's nice.
Tingin.
Ilang gabi tayo dito? Hindi pwedeng isang gabi lang tayo dito. Siyempre, doon kami ngayon sa malaki.
Dito ako, syempre. At nasa... Ang ganda naman eh. Wow!
Ay, kawawa naman yung halaman. Hindi nila nadiligan.
Wow! Gusto ko dun kasi yung view. Tingnan natin yung CR.
Ano kasi ito, mama? Surprise. Dapat pinigyan mo yun, Joanna. Yung version ni mama.
So, this is the room tour. I've been eyeing this place ever since I saw it on Instagram. Its interior is really great. Like, I love it. It's one of my favorite. It has a coffee maker over here, and the wood is all bamboo. Oh, I love their bathroom. So that's their toilet. They have a bidet, and look at their tiles. Oh, and that's their shower. One of my faves. There's a mirror. Hi. Okay, so the suite 1 and 2 has 2 bedrooms, good for 3 persons. That's their lights, fixtures. It has an air conditioning. And this is the main bed. That's for my parents, and it has a TV. This is my bed, of course. This room has an amazing view. I'm gonna show that view tomorrow.
Sarap naman ang surprise niyo sa amin. Sabi ko, diba? Ito ay hindi ko.
Wala, inano ako ni Papa, ginaya ako.
Kaya gastos natin.
So noon pa lang, noon pa lang before ng birthday ko, ito dapat ang puntahan natin.
Ay, tapos na.
Malaki. Ay, oo nga, no, laki no.
Crab nga ba?
Mm-mm. Morning. It's our third and last day here in SIROM, and we are going to the Kupao place, 5 minutes away here from SIROM. We're just going to sit for an hour or so, and then we're going to check out around 11 a.m. We're here at Kupao, and I think Kupao, I don't know. We saw at it's a private property, by the way. We saw at the gate that it's the name of the owner, Anji Kupao. Maybe it's named by the owner. It's temporarily closed right now, and we can't ask if we can swim, but I'm gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna show a drone shot for you. This is the diving spot. Look how deep it is. I mean, I've dived in Boracay, in Cebu, but this is scary. It's very open. There's rocks beside you. But they made it into a diving site, so yeah, we just look on the Kupo Beach because we're gonna check out at 11 a.m. in SIROM. Sabi nung worker which we nakausap namin, sabi niya it's already open and the entrance fee is 100 pesos per person. You can also swim and dive around the area. Maybe if we go back here, we'll try it out with some friends para hindi siya scary. Yeah, hope you enjoy this Kupao Beach because I need to go back to the hotel and eat breakfast. Hi! So I gotta close this vlog. We're checking out right now. This has been a wonderful stay here at SIROM. This was a late birthday surprise for my mom. I got the 3 days, 2 nights here, and then my dad asked me to buy another night. Actually, I talked to the owner and he said that this has been their most quiet days for the past few months. Even the water is so calm, so nakisama. SIROM Beach Resort, it's a great place to treat your loved ones and to, you know, just spend relaxation and just lounge. There's even no Wi-Fi, so you won't be tempted to spend your time on cell phones. The staff are very friendly, hospitable, and they really cater to your wants. The first full day we are here, we just lounge in the resort. We are practically the only guest that day. And then second day we went to island hopping, which is the only, no, it's not island hopping. We went to one island, small island near just around 15 minutes away, and the name of the island is Calibra Island. And then this morning, our last morning, we went to Kupao Beach. It's just 5 minutes away from here, and it's a great place to swim. It has some tidal pools. It's also a great place to cliff diving. So we're gonna bring some friends and come back here and I don't know, try the Kupao Beach. Yeah, I think that's it. I gotta close this vlog because we're checking out. My parents are waiting for me. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notifications every time I posted a new video in my channel. And if you want, you can also like this video. The thumbs up button is down below this screen. Also, give some love in the comment section below what you think about this place. If you've been here, also comment below. I am not kidding. This is a great place to rest and just relax. Hope you'll consider staying here in the near future. Also, don't forget to wear a mask. Actually, DASOL Pangasinan doesn't have any active cases of COVID. That's why we felt very safe here. So if you are traveling right now, or if you want to travel, do be safe and keep in mind to wear your mask and stay safe and follow all the rules and protocols for COVID-19. So bye.